Hi, everybody, and thank you for taking the time. I'm Claudette Stiven, and today I want to walk you through something simple but powerful. This is the 10-day Wellness Reframe, and it's really about resetting how you feel in your body and building something you can actually sustain. One of the first things I want to do is really start with a little bit of mindset because your health isn't just physical, it's how you think, how you show up, and what you're willing to commit to. Your health truly is your greatest wealth, and everything builds from there. So just give yourself a second. We'll just take a few seconds to do this, and we're going to set the tone before we start talking about changing habits. We need to create a space for change. So I just want you to sit comfortably, feet on the ground, and if you can, just close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Take a slow breath in through your nose and then out through your mouth. And let's do that again. This is your moment, no pressure, no expectations. I really want you to honestly think about the best you, when you felt your best, when you looked your best, when you performed your best, how that felt for you. So you had great energy, great sleep, great mood. Maybe you felt great in that pair of jeans or that dress. Now think about having that come again in the spring to reset. So just take a second and think about that, what it was, where it was, and how you felt. So spring is about renewal, and ask yourself, what do I want to feel like? Do I want more energy, more clarity? Now finish the sentence in your mind. I'm ready to support my body by, maybe it's showing up for yourself daily, making better choices, following through this time. Keep it simple, keep it real. Take one more deep breath and out. And when you're ready, open your eyes. This is your reset, not extreme, not overwhelming, just new starting point with a new intention. So I want to quickly just say thank you for doing that. And mindset is the foundation. And I'll just quickly share my journey starting back in late 2024. I was dealing with my mother in extended care, and then in hospice that went 3 or 4 months. And then her final passing, which turned out to be a blessing. And then just dealing with that, not taking care of myself, I wanted to take care of her. So late 2024, I was working with Tiffany, who I work with in Arbonne, and I saw some changes in her and asked her what it was. And she told me, and I worked with her to coach with her with training, exercise, and mindset, and also working through and presenting the 10-day program. So that was then 2025, and then 2026. I'm pretty happy. For me, taking care of your body is the only place you have to live, and that's truly what it is. For me, I watch the scale, and down pounds, down inches, and down and high energy and feeling much better. So that's what I did with the 10-day program ongoing, and I'm here to share that program with you today. So the reality is, here's what's happening with most people, especially women over 40. We naturally lose muscle. We're consuming more sugar than ever, and most people aren't moving enough. So it's no surprise we feel off. Pretty simple. And if you have some of these common symptoms, if you've been feeling low energy, poor sleep, brain fog, bloating, weight gain, mood swings, I know I did, you're not alone. And more importantly, it's not random. Your body is asking for support. Your food. Food is foundational. There's a reason we say food is either medicine or it works against you. What you're putting into your body every day is either helping you or slowly holding you back. So why the 10-day reframe? This program is designed to simplify everything. For 10 days, we focus on real, whole foods, balanced nutrition, supporting your body where it needs most, no extremes, just a structure that works. How it works, we aim for a simple balance on your plate. So 40% protein, 30% carbs, 30% healthy fats. This helps stabilize energy, support metabolism, build lean muscle, and balance hormones. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Really, really important. Here's another one of my mentoring colleagues that has worked through the program, and this is Carol, and she is, I'm going to say 64, 65, an amazing single mom for many, many years, and this is her amazing son, Heath. And for her, I know that for her, the program really helped with the noise chatter and the food chatter, and she's been a real supporter of the program, and wellness is not a trend, it's a timeless investment. And Carol does some great cooking, and she'll be joining some of our sessions and sharing some of her amazing cooking that she does. I'm going to feature kind of what some of the products are. We we use Arbonne products, and why we do. It aligns with everything we're trying to do here. So clean, plant-based, highly quality nutrition, no artificial ingredients, low glycemic, and designed to support your body, not stress it. It fills in the gaps where most people struggle. So the vegan, kosher-free, gluten-free, amazing shake that we have is fabulous, and we have avocado oil in it, and it's one of the few shakes that does. It's super smooth and great. It comes in some varieties and different. We have a meal replacement, we have a more of a keto version, strawberry, chocolate, some of the other ones that we have that come in, vanilla always for sure, and then sometimes we have featured ones. But I would highly recommend. I cook with it, I make shakes with it, I do almost every protein brownies, protein everything with my protein. So it's kind of fun. One of the other products that we're going to feature, and why people are pairing these two products, we do have the GLP-1 support and the NAD support, and these are products that are available in the US and unfortunately not in Canada. But again, talking about GLP-1 and peptides is something that we can talk about as we move forward. But together, more consistency, energy, and better overall results are a great thing. So if you are one of my American friends, definitely look into the GL1 support. Really great results with it. And the NAD is a new one that supports energy and recovery and helps fuel your cells. So if you want more information on that, we'll be talking about it more. But definitely have a look at my website and just flick to the US tag, and you can find out more information about that for sure. Okay, so we have a few different combos that we work with. We have the iconic duo, which is the green synergy and the fizz. You hear me talk about greens all the time. So it has greens, and not only does it just have greens, it has a collagen and has gut health. And the fizz are amazing. They help you with energy, which we all need every day, all the time. The Daily Essentials package has the shake, then your choice of your shake, your greens, and your fizz, and you get a free gift with both of those. And then we have the total system that, again, you can pick and choose. This is great. It has got the tea, has the tea, which we always forget about, and it is a super tea. We'll feature one of those, but have a look at that. Has the fizz, has the shake, and then you can pick, has the greens, and then I would highly recommend the Meno support, which is spectacular, and you can pick some of those other pieces. So depending on what country you're in, different pricing, different combos, but check with myself or whoever invited you here to what combo might work best for you. So when you join, you're not guessing your way through this. You'll have amazing, clear daily structure, simple guidelines. Will support you through nutrition, movement, and mindset. Everything is laid out so you can actually follow through every day that you want to do it. Okay, the first 10 days that we do it. It is amazing. Simple, the texts are simple, the movement is simple, but it's 10 days to get you reset and restarted for what you need to do. So ways you can join Arbonne or experience the product are pretty simple. You can shop as a preferred client, which is what 99% of my clients do. You get 20% off the retail price. I get free shipping on qualified orders, lots of free gifts, Remember, everything has a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can enjoy and try this program up to 90 days. And if it didn't work for you, you get a money back. You get your money back. You enjoy pure, simple, clean, and beneficial plant-based products delivered right to your door. Easy online shopping right from the comfort of your phone, your home, your laptop, your iPad, whatever works for you. Yeah, so these are options. And then what I've done, and now I have to say, I've celebrated 20 years with this amazing company. I'm proud to be an independent consultant with Arbonne. You get 35% off your retail tax benefits. I just had somebody join and start their own boutique kind of exercise business, if you want to call it. No, wouldn't be that. Physical fitness, training business, to get some more tax benefits. So you earn commissions as you build your business, your boutique business, through clients and preferred clients. If you choose, you can build a team of other independent consultants. You have the opportunity to travel and build a global business. We're in 6 countries, and I'll just give you those quickly: Canada, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Poland. Earn bonuses, jewelry, trips, recognition, and be part of a community that is healthy, fun, and the most supportive group, and some of my true, deepest, best friends. So those are a few options, but it always starts with your health, right? Always starts with your health. So for me, the personal connection, and I'll end. This is my friend Tiffany, who I've known for 20 years, and she did a before and after, and this is something that she wanted to do, to wear that bikini on a trip that she earned with Arbonne. So physical wins, mood and mindset wins, sleep and energy wins, food habit wins, and physical movement wins. These are personal testimonials. They're not directly shared from Arbonne. So to get started, for me, this has never been about quick fixes. It's been about simple habits, a system that works, and staying consistent over time. That's where real changes happen. And then here's what a takeaway: wellness is not a trend. It's a lifestyle, and it's an investment in yourself, which many of you aren't doing. You don't need to do everything. You just need to get started. Really, really important. If you're ready to start, let's get started. We'll keep it simple, supportive, and realistic, and I'll walk you through every step. So thank you for being here today. We try and keep it short and quick, and we're here to help you be the best that you can be. So I'm Claudette Stiven, and reach out. You've got the information here from everybody and anybody that might want to help you within your health journey. Thank you.